Welcome back. This is Shiv Prasad. Again, this technical discussion on Golang test cases, basically unit test cases. As part of this session, I will try to bring the course overview and its details. So before starting any test cases in Golang, we need to install Go installation and also Visual Source Code for the managing the test cases and code. And why testing matters. We'll talk about that importance of testing, benefits of testing in Golang, and also we'll talk about the Go test philosophy and the simplicity of testing in Golang, built-in testing tools and packages. Also, we'll cover like writing test cases, like started with creating test files, writing and running simple tests, and test functions and naming conventions, organizing test files and packages, and also we'll discuss about testing fundamentals like writing assertions, using testing packages, error handling and failures, table driven test cases like writing a parameterized test cases, or using test tables for multiple test cases. We'll cover all those kind of things. And benchmarking in Go, like we will introduce the benchmarking, understanding benchmarking and creating benchmark functions, running benchmarks using the Go test commands for benchmarking, and also integrating, interpreting benchmark results. And we'll talk about like a code coverage basics. What is code coverage? Using Go test tools, how we can do the code analysis, coverage analysis. And also we'll see the interpreting coverage reports, analyzing coverage reports and identifying uncovered code and how to write the test cases for that. And also we'll see the advanced testing techniques like mocking, dependency injection. Okay, and also we'll see like subtests and also parallel testing. And also we'll talk about test suites and test organization, creating test suite, grouping related test using test suites, managing setup under tear down, test organization best practice like structuring your test code, naming conventions and directory structure. And also we'll take care about real world project like testing code, I mean large code bases. Also we'll see the legacy testing, how to cover the legacy code. And also we'll see like case studies and best practices. At the end we can conclude with recap and final thoughts on the importance of ongoing testing. That's it. We'll cover as part of this particular course. Thank you.